Got some chips. Did this last night. You probably saw that already. A little behind on, they're not daily videos. One that went up today was filmed the 28th of March. And today's the April 4th. So, anyway, they're daily, but they're just not the next day. That's alright. Well, I guess I had a rabbit come and eat half my radishes. Yeah, I've not ever lived out in the wide open spaces. I've always had a backyard. I didn't have rabbits come in. I'm assuming it was a rabbit. I don't know. Boy, I had some big, I had 4 leaves up here, right here. Boy, they just, dang it. They were doing so good. Looks like they got a few out of this one, but I can't tell. So I put them back up here. They're not going to get 100% sun. Carrots are trying to come in. Yeah, there's a little one. Boy, they're slow. Ah, it just makes me sick. So, I guess, should I just pull these up and replant? They're not going to come back, are they? This is a video of kind of cleaning out your refrigerator with stuff you have left over. So I have these tomatoes left over I need to use. They're getting really ripe. I have the leftover bread. It's been in the refrigerator from Cook With Me the other night. The garlic spread. And probably have about this much leftover tomato sauce from that night too, and cheese. So I have some ravioli, cheese ravioli in the freezer, and I have a half of the hamburger meat left over. So I think I'm gonna combine it all. I may roast these up a little bit and then throw them in the blender to add to this so we have enough sauce for the dumplings. Not dumplings, ravioli. So this is going to become dinner tonight. Ravioli, garlic bread. The leftover salad with weeds. No, sprouts. Yeah. Use up what you got. Good morning. I'm in my truck. That means it's time to go somewhere. We're going camping. Yes, we are. Man, takes longer and longer and longer to get ready to roll. Alright. So, before heading to the lake, we are going to taking Deborah's rig into the shop. He wants to check out all the work he did last summer, fall, whenever it was, and just check everything to make sure it is still okay. There's not a leak in the differential. Maybe need a little tweak on the carburetor again. he said you have to drive it and then bring it back. And so it's going into the shop, and we're gonna go camping. We're gonna go to the lake, spend a few days at the lake, cook out, have some fun. Not that we don't always have fun, we always have fun, but at the lake fun. We're contemplating fishing. Wish I had my kayak here. Need to get my kayak here. Anyway, but before that, she's gonna go to the mechanic. I'm gonna go do my Walmart pickup. Yes, I did a pickup. Gotta stay out of that store, otherwise you spend, stuff jumps in your basket and you spend more than you want to. So I still spent, I'm just blown away by the minimal groceries you get for the price. It's just crazy. Anyway, so all my chicken dinners that are coming for, or that I'm going to pull that chicken out of the freezer and cook multiple meals with one chicken, that's going to have to happen next week. So I want to be at my home base where I have my crock pot, my Instapot, all the things to be able to cook that chicken. So, but right now, I'm gonna go to Walmart, pick up my Walmart order before we head to the lake. Well, diesel's $5.49 now. $5.59 credit. We're here, waiting on groceries. Well, we're on the way to the lake now. We did a whole bunch of stuff and I didn't film any of it. Sometimes you just don't pick up the camera and you just go about your day and not have to, yes, I need my life jacket on, but before that I have to get out one more time. So
Really, Sanders? Are you sure? That might not be a true story.